Big news from Shiba Inu. Shiba can now be used to shop on Amazon and subscribe Netflix. This is big time. Let's talk about this. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I'm the captain, and this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, the SHIB trifecta, or the trifecta, SHIB, Bone, Leash, can now be used to shop on Amazon and Netflix subscription via FCF Pay crypto card. Now, Shiba Inu holders can now shop on Amazon and enjoy subscription-based streaming services at Netflix using the SHIB trifecta, SHIB, Bone, and Leash as a payment method through a VI FCF Pay Visa card, okay? Now, the FCF Pay, the Canada-based crypto payment gateway, recently announced that the crypto card users can now enjoy shopping on Amazon and subscribing to a wide variety of award-winning TV shows, movies, anime, documentaries on Netflix by loading their Visa card with crypto. That is the FCF Pay card. Now, as reported by the Crypto Basics, shout out to the Crypto Basics, this type of card added support for the SHIB trifecta in July this year. Now, the listing on the platform enables over 5 million online stores in 195 countries to accept all 3 tokens of the Shiba Inu ecosystem as payment. Now, Shiba Inu mainstream adoption is growing every day, day after day. As reported earlier by the Crypto Basic, SHIB can now be accepted as donations by Africa's oldest national park, another national park, and a partnership with the Giving Block, the world-leading digital fundraiser platform. I'm telling you, Shiba Inu, it seems like every week there's some type of news of SHIB, and this is good news because now you can shop on Amazon and subscribe to Netflix just by using your Shiba Inu. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I'm the captain, and this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.